Text, LG phone.
How to change the keyboard language on an LG phone.
The home screen of an LG phone.
Changing the keyboard language on your LG phone is quick and easy.
The instructor clicks on the gear icon on the home screen.
Here's how. Open Settings, then tap on System. Tap on Language and Keyboard. Tap on Manage Keyboards. Tap on LG Keyboard. Tap on Language and Keyboard Layout, and tap on Select Languages at the bottom.
She scrolls down the list of languages and toggles the button for Danish.
Turn on the toggle for the desired language or languages, and keyboard layout. The standard keyboard layout is QWERTY. Once selected, you can tap and hold on the three-line icon to the right of a language and drag it to the desired priority. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
Text, lg.com/us/support. Twitter, Facebook, text, email, and telephone. This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccurate or typographic errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending upon its model, your product may differ in appearance from the product shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, this video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, in whole or part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2021 LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company Limited. Any other company name, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.